Hello and welcome to the VNC Lagoon. Over the next few minutes, I will be giving you an introduction to the VNC Lagoon brand as well as some of its components. Now, to get started, I would first like to share a few words about VNC. VNC is one of the leading commercial open source solution providers. Our headquarters are located in Switzerland with offices in Germany as well as in India, and we collaborate with several virtual teams around the world. Our solution stack is based on the best of breed, best in class commercial open source software available. Basically, we take and improve upon this technology, providing our customers end-to-end solutions and the ability for them to be able to offer these solutions from their own data centers or, of course, as managed services from our VNC data center. The products that compose the VNC Lagoon are email collaboration and groupware, so this is powered by Zimbra. The social media collaboration and content management, which is the VNC portal. Unified communications, which is VNC Talk. This is video conferencing, screen sharing, chat, one-to-one, one-to-many. As well as a project management tool, which is the VNC project. Our file sync and share solution, which is powered by OwnCloud, the VNC Safe, and several other components as you see there. So client backup, our CRM and ERP solution, as well as infrastructure services. Now moving forward here, I think giving you a nice overview of the VNC Lagoon in layers, it really helps to break down and understand our positioning. So the VNC stack, here as I mentioned, this is where we find all of the data center services. So virtualization, storage, balancing, backup, all of those things are the VNC stack. Our VNC data center is located in Switzerland, and where we host many of our customers and partners. The VNC AXF, basically means is the application exchange framework. This is where all of the integration takes place and the interaction with the applications themselves, which is the next layer. The VNC AXF basically takes into consideration our middleware component, takes into consideration business logic depending on your requirements, whether you are a service provider, a telecommunications company, or a large organization. We can go ahead and figure out, what are the best fits and how to better integrate into the applications themselves. As part of the applications, you have the summary of the applications I mentioned already. So email collaboration, so VNC Mail, VNC Safe for file sync and share, VNC Portal for content management and social collaboration. And there you can also add your existing services as service providers. So do you have a VoIP service, for example? Or maybe you have your own backup service that you would like to integrate. Or you're offering several links or a web shop. Things like this. These kinds of products, services can be easily integrated, as we are, of course, based on open standards. And we do have quite an advanced middleware component, which allows you to really go the extra mile when it comes to customizing and integration. On the top part here, we have the VNC UXF, which is the user experience framework. The user experience framework basically allows service providers, customers, hosting providers the ability to bring their brand to their customers. What I mean by that, basically, it's much more than white labeling. It's much more than just a simple rebranding, but you can literally customize and create the user interface that fits your needs or that fits your brand. The UXF, of course, is based on some of the latest technology we're implementing with responsive technology here. So responsive basically means the ability to use the application no matter on what device you're using it on, as long as the device has a browser. This gives you the opportunity to move from device to device without having to download and install or do anything to download or install an application. It's responsive. Material design is also a key point there. Material design is currently used, for example, in all of the Android web interfaces or devices, as well as all of the Google design is based on material design. So those are basically guidelines to give you with some of the latest and most up-to-date user experience available. As we move forward here, you can get a little bit better picture of the partnerships and collaborations that we are working with. So Zimbra is one of them, of course, with VNC Mail. We have OwnCloud with VNC Save, other product, which is the VNC portal, which is powered by Plone, as well as partnerships with RedHat and several other components, as you see there. So basically, you can get a pretty good picture of our positioning there and also the alliances that we've built over the years. As a closing statement here, you can feel free to contact us at any time, of course, at info@vnc.biz, or you can visit our website at www.vnc.biz. Thank you so much for your time, and please get in touch with us, and I would be happy to share with you a much more detailed introduction to the VNC Lagoon, pending on your request. Thank you very much.